You saw in the Rajya Sabha today that many women MPs came almost wanting to enter into the well on the horrendous statement, and I repeat that word, horrendous statement, made by Sri Rahul Gandhi. We may belong to the opposition party, but when we are talking about the country, I assume that all of us will be one. We are talking about women and women's dignity. I could have definitely gone hammer and tongs on that matter. Now that you've asked me, I'm taking this opportunity. It's a matter of shame that a senior leader of Congress party speaks forgetting about the dignity of women, and because it also brings in a very important initiative of this government, Make in India, into the picture, and uses all elements of sarcasm to talk about how it is not Make in India, but you know what he said. I don't need to put an effort to distract. This is good enough for me, but I did not till you asked me.